Today I am reviewing the Aneson Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you drive regularly, ride a bike, or simply want a reliable emergency tool in your car, the Aneson Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is one of those compact gadgets that can quickly prove its value the moment you need it. It's designed to be fast, simple, and highly portable, giving you a dependable way to inflate tires and sports equipment without needing a gas station or bulky equipment. Right away, the first thing that stands out is its speed. This inflator is powered by a 150 PSI high-performance motor with an airflow rate of about 34 liters per minute. In practical terms, that means it can inflate a standard car tire from 25 to 36 PSI in roughly 1 minute. That's extremely fast for a device of this size. Whether you're dealing with low tire pressure before a commute or a sudden drop during a road trip, this inflator gets you back on the road quickly without stress or delays. One of the most useful features is the smart LCD digital display. This screen shows real-time pressure readings as well as your preset target pressure. The display is clear and easy to read even under bright sunlight, which is important if you're using it outdoors or on the roadside. You don't have to guess or manually monitor inflation. Everything is shown accurately in real time, helping you maintain proper tire pressure with confidence. Even better, the Aneson inflator includes an auto shutoff function. This means once your preset pressure is reached, the device automatically stops inflating. This is a very important safety feature because it prevents overinflation, which can damage tires or affect driving performance. It also means you can set it and let it run without constantly checking it, making the whole process stress-free and beginner-friendly. Another major advantage is its one-click operation system. The device includes preset modes specifically designed for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports balls. This removes all the guesswork from inflation. You simply choose your mode, press start, and the inflator handles the rest. It also has a memory function, which stores your last used setting. So if you're inflating the same tire type regularly, you don't need to reset it every time. This is especially convenient for daily users like commuters or cyclists. In addition to its inflation capabilities, the built-in LED flashlight is another practical feature that makes a big difference in real-world use. If you ever find yourself dealing with a flat tire at night or in low light conditions, the bright LED light helps you clearly see what you're doing. It also includes an SOS flashing mode, which can be used as an emergency signal during roadside breakdowns. This adds an extra layer of safety, especially for people who travel long distances or drive at night. Portability is another strong point of this device. Weighing only around 1 pound, the Aneson Tire Inflator is extremely lightweight and easy to carry. It fits comfortably in a glove compartment, backpack, or even a small storage compartment in your car. Because it is cordless and compact, it eliminates the hassle of dealing with long cables or bulky compressors. You can take it anywhere, whether it's for road trips, cycling adventures, or even outdoor sports activities. In real-world usage, this inflator is not just for emergencies. It's also a great tool for routine maintenance. Keeping your tires properly inflated improves fuel efficiency, enhances driving safety, and extends tire life. With this device, you can easily check and adjust pressure at home without relying on gas station air pumps. This convenience alone makes it a valuable long-term tool for any vehicle owner. It also performs well across multiple use cases. For example, cyclists can quickly inflate bike tires before a ride, parents can inflate sports balls for kids, and motorcyclists can maintain optimal tire pressure with ease. The versatility of the preset modes makes it suitable for almost any household. Of course, like any portable air compressor, it is designed primarily for convenience rather than heavy industrial use. It is perfect for cars, bikes, and small inflatables, but not intended for large commercial tires or continuous heavy-duty operation. Within its intended range, however, it performs extremely well and reliably. Overall, the Aneson Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a compact yet powerful emergency and everyday tool that delivers excellent value. It combines fast inflation speed, smart digital controls, automatic shutoff safety, and true portability into one easy-to-use device. It's the kind of gadget you may not think about every day, but when you need it, it becomes absolutely essential. If you're looking for a reliable, travel-friendly air pump that makes tire maintenance simple, fast, and safe, this Aneson Inflator is a very solid choice. It's practical, efficient, and built for real-world convenience, whether you're at home, on the road, or out on an adventure.